Guys, let's do analysis on AUD, USD, and NZD, USD for the week. All right. So let's get started, guys. So as always, we start from a higher time frame to be able to look at what the market is doing, and then we scale down to the lower time frame to know where we are going so that we can use our fantastic 5 blind spot manipulation entry formula to look for opportunities in the market. All right. So let's get started. So I'm going to start quickly on weekly time frame. So, but before then, let me clear out this one here. So, yeah, if you look at the weekly time frame, you'll see that somehow, if you understand the different types of market structure, you see that this guy is actually consolidating on the higher time frame, on the weekly time frame, right? So there is a consolidation here. Let me change that color. There is a consolidation here. You know, market retested it the first time, push up. The second time, market is pushing. And this area has been a problematic area, right? So let's also look at the also, you look at this level here, you see that actually this level also is a problematic level, right? So market is actually in a consolidation on the weekly time frame, up, down is moving sideways, not trending from the weekly time frame. All right. So now on market, let's talk about what is happening on AUD USD. Markets push down to to the resistance level, and since the market got into the resistance level, we saw this rejection candle on the weekly. See the rejection, buyers came into the market and start pushing the market up, right? So now where is the market going actually? From the weekly time frame, the market is pushing all the way to this zone. So this point here is going to be like, we're going to see this point as a danger zone, right? This point where if the market reach here, we'll not be looking for buying opportunity. Either we want to see the market, another selling pressure, or want to see the market finally breach this level so that we can really continue to look for buying opportunities on the lower time frame, all right? But for the look of things, the market is in a bullish direction. We want to be looking for bullish opportunities coming this week from tomorrow, right? So now one may also think, oh, this is a Quasimodo, right? One can say, oh, this is a high, this is a low, this is a higher high, and then this is a lower low, right? So one may also be thinking, okay, the market is going to, they will be looking for selling opportunity from this point, guys. This is not a good Quasimodo reversal. Why? Because the left, I mean, the market is already touching the danger zone from the resistance level. You know, when you see market like this, maybe a Quasimodo, you have to make sure that when a Quasimodo is happening like this, and let's say this is your left shoulder, the market out, yes, this is the left shoulder, and this is a major supply or demand zone area from this point here, right? So we want the market to quickly retrace. If the market want to activate the Quasimodo or any other fantastic 5 setup, not just Quasimodo reversal, right? We don't want the market to first of all react from the danger zone. Danger zone, like I keep saying, is a major supply and demand area, because when market is touch the danger zone before coming to react from your setup, because of the high pressure area from those danger zone, either selling zone or the buying zone, it can actually disrespect that setup, right? So now, in this situation, I want to see the market retrace back to this point, this Quasimodo reversal, and then we can then sell. So in this situation, if you want to sell, take profit here, and then the last second profit at the danger zone, right? But if the market fail to, in this situation like this, let me show you, this is the danger zone. If the market fail to retrace from this point, then the market come all the way to now react from the danger zone before coming coming back to the left shoulder of any either a QMRO or any fantastic 5 setup, it is not longer valid. Why? Because price is coming from the danger zone. That is why most of the setup you trade, they failed because you don't pay attention to the danger zone. All right. So now let's get back to the chart. So now looking at this one, market is already rejecting from the danger zone, means that we are going to be looking bullish. We're going to continue looking for bullish opportunity. So now we have a direction, because I told you the only direction you need to consider first, forget about DMD1, DMD2. The only direction you need to consider first is the trend direction. Where is the market going? So that you now start planning, looking for fantastic value in the lower time frame towards the direction of the market. All right, so let's go to the daily time frame. So now on the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, also looking at the daily, the market is actually giving us kind of characteristics of an uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We are on an uptrend, and the market is going to continue bullish this week from tomorrow, Monday, right? So now let's get to the H4 time frame. So also H4 time frame, in fact, the market started buying since when? So you can see characteristics of an uptrend when this was the last point where the market breached the Dow theory here, because this is the, I think, this is the last high at this level. The market finally take out this level. There was a scenario C1 here, and then the market started giving us characteristics of an uptrend, and then the market is pushing. All right, so next week we are going to expect a continuation of this trend until we get to this zone. So the market is going to be moving in respect, as always, market does not move in a straight line, right? Based on characteristics of an uptrend, we are going to see the market retraces like this until we get to this zone. And then when the market enters this zone becomes the danger zone, because that is the wiggly resistance area from the, wiggly resistance area. So when the market finally breaks from the wiggly, that is when we can confidently, or you can confidently keep looking for buying opportunities in respect to the direction of the market, right? There are situations where you can trend. If you understand the market structure synchronization, you can also know when to counter trend. Maybe when wiggly or daily is making a retracement, you can sell. It doesn't mean if as we keep looking for buy, we cannot sell. We can sell, but we always want to sell when a retracement is coming from the daily wiggly, right? Daily wiggly retracement is good enough. Wiggly retracement is a serious selling or serious buying opportunities in the lower time frame. But from the weekly and daily retracement is not all that deep. But you can also, when you see a setup, you can also counter trend, right? When you understand the language of multi-time frame market structure analysis, right? So guys, now coming tomorrow or next week, what we are going to be expecting, I'm going to be expecting the market to come back to this point, maybe the market to push again, come back to this point, then I can finally buy, right? The market is going to retrace back to this point here, where we can look for buy. Also, I can also see a rally-based rally area there. This rally-based rally can give me a kind of manipulation entry formula. But let's consider the higher time frame, the daily. Looking at this daily time frame, also, if the market is to retrace, this market is to retrace, also maybe the market will retrace back to this point. But look at this full body candle here. It cannot consider as a bullish engulfing, but it's a full body candle. So inside this full body candle, we can also if we can find a rally-based rally on a lower time frame, it can also be considered in this wise as a manipulation entry formula, because this bullish engulfing candle, market may want to maybe retrace again before continue going up, right? We have seen this as the market has been giving us characteristics of an uptrend. So we can also wait for retracement and then we continue the buy on AUD USD. So let's go to the H4. So under H4, I can also consider this one, this rally-based rally at this point here. You know, this rally-based rally also is found in, let me change the color. Yeah, this rally-based rally also is found, if we go back, it's inside that bullish engulfing. Yeah, that time, this not bullish engulfing, this full body momentum candle, right? So we can consider this area as a strong zone that, okay, when the market maybe push a little up or anytime the market wants to retrace, this is the point we'll be expecting the market to retrace so that we can look for buying opportunity. Also, I can as well look for other confluences like trend line. I can also connect my trend line. Mentor call it that the confluence principles, right? So we can also connect our trend line here. And then this is the area we want to see the market retrace back next week on AUD USD, maybe something like this for a continuation of the market for us to buy. This is where we want to look for the next buying opportunity on AUD USD. So guys, let's also look at NZDUSD, you know, they move alike, right? So sometime you can get opportunity. It's a clear setup on either AUDUSD or NZDUSD, but the direction or the trend direction always go alike, they always move alike. So let's look at it as well. So this is our projection, or this is our agenda on AUDUSD based on our Bastra concept, right? So if you look at this point here, there are a lot of opportunity where the market was moving, a lot of opportunity here based on Fantastic 5 in the lower time frame. You know, the market is retracing. Upon this retracement, you know, market break structure, upon this retracement here, you know what is going to happen. You definitely see a setup on the M15 time frame, a confirmation setup, which means another Fantastic 5 for a buy, like that. This one also for a buy. So, but now, for the next week, this is where we are expecting the market to retrace and then give us, this is our potential manipulation entry formula setup. We can expect, right, to buy. So, without much delay, let's go to NZDUSD as well. So NZDUSD also, this one has been buying since last week, Friday. So let me remove. Okay, let me just quickly go to the higher time frame. Also, if you look at the higher time frame, right? Also, it's like consolidation, just like they almost have the same structure with AUD USD, but the market is still going to continue pushing. We may see a little retracement from next week for a continuation, right? But then let's go back to the daily time frame to see what is going on. So from the daily time frame, you see this is a late entering SNRC1. This is a rally drop-based drop aligned with the rally-based rally. So let me mark it well. So whenever you see a late entry, market tends to make a retracement from that late entry and then continue going up, right? So a late entry, if a late entry is found in a higher time frame, it is an opportunity to also a counter trend in the lower time frame, if you understand what I'm trying to say, guys. So this was the SNRC1 late entry. Why is it a late entry? Because it now it's a late entry. We wanted the market to retrace back and tap from this SNRC1 for a sell, but no, the market dropped all the way to these demand zones. You see, this demand zone before coming back. So it's only going to have a little effect, maybe retracement as it has happened already, and then the market will continue pushing up, right? So that's why you see that massive retracement from the daily would have been a good future opportunity for a sell. So now, we're expecting the market to continue going bullish. And if the daily finally break, we are going to have what we call a blind spot on daily for a continuation of the buy. But then this one started this week, last week, Friday. So also our expectation is for continue to look for buy. If the market push significantly, we're going to give us something like a blind spot as well from the H4, come back, then we'll keep looking for buy, confirmation, entering on the lower time frame, we buy, we buy, we buy, we buy, like that. So sometimes if you are this type that you enter trade based on directly from H4, you don't actually need that confirmation. Once you find your setup here, and then you enter and measure your risk to reward ratio. But for me, I like to enter from the M15, sometimes M30. I like to use a lower time frame to have a higher risk to reward ratio in such a way that if I can cash 2 trades in a week, it's going to be massive, 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 massive for me. So guys, this is the analysis on AUDUSD and NZDUSD. Continue look forward bullish opportunity in respect to all the fantastic 5 blind spot and manipulation entry formula. I hope you learn. I hope you this analysis is going to benefit you and help you to be able to find and trade opportunities coming this week. So don't forget to if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and also hit the like button as well. Thank you for watching. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace, guys.